Okay guys, in this video I will show you how to disable your Windows 10 updates permanently. Let's quickly go through it. The first thing, you want to stop your daily updates settings. Let's start by going to services. So I click services on the search here in my Windows 10. Then in the services I'm going to click open. Then I'm looking for Windows update. Then clicking W now just to go down to update. Find it easy to do that. Then I'm clicking my right click. Then I'm clicking my properties. Then yours, if you have not done this, is on automatic. Then click disable. Then once you click disable, click apply. Then your daily update setting is done, but this is just step 1, and this will not permanently disable your Windows updates. Our step 2, we go to group policy. Then go to your search, click on group. Yes, here's it, edit group policy. Then you click on open. Then after, you click on administrative templates. Then after, you are going to click on Windows components. Then inside Windows components, here's a slide bar. You just slide down, it's at the bottom. Then you will find Windows update. You click on Windows update. Then you check for, here's it just down here, configure automatic updates. Then you click on it. Yours, if it is not configured, it will be on not configured. Then what we want to do is click on disable. Then after we say apply, then okay. Then you have permanently disabled Windows updates. The reason I did this tutorial is because I'm running an i7 28 gig RAM Dell Precision laptop, and it was very fast. But since 2023, my laptop was very slow. So now after stopping the Windows updates for Windows 10, my laptop is fast. So guys, please support the channel. Please subscribe and like video and comment on which problems you're having on your laptop, and I will assist you and create more content that will help you. Thank you guys.